Hello, my name is Kamar Ali. I am a postgraduate management and finance student at BPP University. I'm making this video to present my business project, the aims and objectives, significance, data collection tools used, and the findings. I will also mention the challenges faced during the 10-week period. The title of the paper is an evaluation of Facebook as a tool for BPP University Students Association to communicate with the BPP students within the United Kingdom. The aim of the paper was to evaluate the Students Association's use of Facebook in communicating with millennial students in the United Kingdom. There were four objectives. The first was to evaluate the number of BPP University students active on Facebook. The second was to evaluate the reasons BPP University used Facebook. The third was to assess the university's students' social media experience. And finally, the fourth was to compare engagement levels among female millennials in London on posts with call to actions and posts without call to actions. The significance of this paper can be seen in the conclusions and recommendations section. This section was presented for BPP University Students Association to enhance student experience through increasing the student engagement and student perspective towards the Student Association's content being published on Facebook. The data collection tools used. These tools included an online classical experiment and a web survey. The experiment was adapted from Saunders 2012's classical experiment. Through the use of Facebook's ad manager, the research tested 25 to 34-year-old female Londoners, their perspective and their reaction towards call to actions being inserted into content found on Facebook. Secondly, the web survey. This consisted of 21 questions distributed electronically through Microsoft Forms. Participants were contacted through Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, and a link was published on the BPP University Students Association's Facebook page and Twitter page. Now to the findings. The research found that when the goal was on engagement, having a call to action was found to have a negative effect when inserted on content on Facebook. This was due to Facebook's updated algorithm. From the online classical experiment, the BPP University students, they were seen to see, or they were able to see the Students Association's content. However, they did not engage. Students were found to not be addicted to Facebook, spending no more than 2 hours on the site, and were content consumers rather than content creators. Finally, the challenges faced. The first challenge was choosing to continue with the topic, which was the initial challenge. This was overcome when researching background literature. The literature called for additional research in the area of SNS, or social networking sites, within the United Kingdom. Similarly, the lack of understanding of SNS use in marketing. Secondly, finding a platform to carry out the classical experiment. The non-profit organization Generation Success has an interest in university students and carrying out an event to mark International Women's Day 2019. As a volunteer and a member with responsibility for the Facebook platform, I used this opportunity to run the experiment, and the budget was given by Generation Success. And now thank you for watching this presentation.